you want to have it like a P, like this, a P, you know, the letter P. And you're going to pop it in there, just like that. And then, see this hole over here? You're going to, I can't do it with one hand, two hands, but you're going to pop it in this little thing right there. And then you're going to go all the way till it goes to this hole right here, okay? So I'm going to do that. Once we do that, you're going to hold it with the flap up, because that's the only way that this bobbin won't come out. If you don't grab that, the bobbin will fall out. And we're going to put it in there, and it should click. Should. Like that, okay? I don't know if you heard that. You could just let this tail like that. I'm going to put the throat plate back on and screw that in. Okay, let's see if we can thread this one-handed. Alright, so what I always do is I cut the end off, you know, I cut off the thread so it's nice and, you know, it's not, there's no fuzzies or anything like that. So we're going to put our thread there. Then let's see, let's go here. I'm just guessing. But most of this is the same with a lot of machines. Alright, let's see. So next, what's that? I wonder what that is. Alright, since I don't have a manual, the next step to thread this, I'm assuming, is these little loops here. I don't know if you can see it. Here, let me, sorry. See the, those little loops right there, right there. I'm going to put it through that. Of course, after, oh, let me show you. It was so easy. I was thinking it was harder than it was. All you have to do is just put it through the back. You don't have to like put it through a loop. It doesn't have to be that hard. See? Just put it right there. And then next, of course, is to put the thread through the needle from front to the back. Now, sometimes some people have like big fingers. I don't have big fingers, but I've found that sometimes you have to lower the feed dogs so that you can see the eye of the needle. But if you do that, as soon as the thread goes through the eye of the needle, you need to raise the feed dog. I mean the foot. You need to raise the presser foot up. So I'm going to put it down. But as soon as I put that thread in the eye, I have to pull it up as soon as I do that, okay? And of course, I don't think I can do this one-handed, and my eyes aren't that good. So let's see. Yeah, be right back. Okay, see how I have the thread? I just pulled it through. I didn't pull it through all the way, but I just pulled it through the eye of the needle. So now is when you need to raise the presser foot. Some people don't need to do that, but I do because I need space. So we're going to pull the thread through, but when you pull it through, make sure it's not caught on anything. Let me make sure. Yep. Okay, so we're not going to put it to the back yet. We're going to put it to the side. Now, man, I wish I had better light. I'm so sorry. Okay, so let's see. So now what we're gonna do is, normally you would hold the thread on the left and then do the hand wheel towards you, and it's going to pick up the bobbin. So let's see if I can do it with one hand without holding the Let's see. Is it doing it? Yep, okay. Okay, so we're going to try this again. What had happened was it did not actually, I think it caught it and it was good to go, and then it lost it. And see how much thread I have on the left. So I'm going to come up here and just, you know, tighten up. There's no use to wasting all of that thread. Okay, so I got the bobbin thread. So let's see again. This time I'm going to go to the left. See if I can pull that thread up, because that's what you want to do. Oh yeah, see, I got it. Alrighty, good. I got it. And you want to make sure that the bobbin thread is coming out of that hole right there. Alright? I'm sure there's a technical name for that, but yeah. So now we're going to take both of these threads, I don't know if you can see them, and we're going to put the top thread through the presser foot in the middle, and we're going to put both of the threads in the back so you have a long tail. I don't know, maybe 4 or 5, 6 inches. It's fine. Okay? And then we're going to close this up and we're going to see if it sews. Okay, so right before, so I tried it, and the first time I did it, the thread broke and it bunched up. So I had to rethread the needle, and I noticed that my tension was really tight. It was a 5, which is not really tight. The tension should always be anywhere between 3 to 5. I mean, it depends on what kind of, sewing you're doing, but 4 is good. And then I had it on a 2 for the stitch length, and that's kind of small. I mean, it's not real small, but I wanted to put it on 3. And then over here, I wanted to make sure that my needle's in the middle. So that was good. So then when I did it the second time, it's a lot better. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. Huh? See. Sounds pretty good. Oh, it came off of the thing. Okay, so let me fix that. Things are so hard with one hand, right? Can you imagine people having one hand, but they do stuff all the time? All right, so I'm gonna, let's see. So I have my needle down. Let's put it down all the way. And then I'm going to lift up. And then let's look at these. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, can you see it? Okay. All right, that looks pretty good. Let me... All right, so now I'm going to pivot. All right, let's try this. So that is a little bit about that machine. It's Kenmore 385. There's actually many types of Kenmore 385. So this is one of the older models. And I'll be doing a video soon, like maybe tomorrow, on the reverse button, because apparently it wasn't working. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.